Max friends. We are happy to be back with a new Max interview and together talk to Montse Belisario, who is director at the Lloret de Mar Convention Bureau. We already had a short collaboration back in 2016, and we are very happy to have this new partnership where we do promote the destination and some of the partners in the Scandinavian MICE market. Montse has been managing the Lloret de Mar Convention Bureau now for over 6 years. In 2014, she was part of the Sant Feliu de Guíxols tourism department in Costa Brava as a tourism technician, and also worked in the organization of La Fira for major events. But in her main interest has always been managing tourist destinations. She loves dealing with people and she gets involved in the maximum in everything. Hello, Montse.
Hi, Valeska. Pleasure to meet you and to have the opportunity to present our amazing MICE destination in Costa Brava, Lloret de Mar, to everyone.
Thank you. It's really a pleasure also to learn more about Lloret de Mar as a MICE destination. So let's get started with the interview.
Perfect, I'm ready.
So many people know Lloret de Mar as a typical holiday destination. What were the biggest challenges at the beginning when you started working back in 2016?
Well, as you said, Lloret is one of the most important leisure destination in Costa Brava. It's the second one after Barcelona in terms of affluency of tourism. Yeah, we are so huge in the tourism industry. But well, I will say that I haven't had many challenges because since we created the Convention Bureau in 2009. This body it has a private part and a public part, and where the hotels that take part of the Convention Bureau, the ones that since the 60s and 70s when they were built, already did many conferences with most of the companies based in Barcelona, for example, and that's the reason why it's working very good because they request us to help them to explain that it's much more than a leisure destination during the summertime, and it's one of the reasons why we hold a wide range of all kind of events during all year round, talking about MICE and sport events. So that's it. I mean, at that time, the Lloret Convention Bureau was running very well. It still runs very well, and I think that well, as you know, our Convention Bureau is the free service of the municipality. We are here to help you to have all the information in terms of private and public stuff. And we are here before, during, and after the event for anything that you may need. And I will say that the success of our Convention Bureau is like we work together, we collaborate together, the private and the public sector. So we are as like facilitators, okay? So here we make the difference with the larger Conventions Bureau because we are closer to the organizers. We are here for all that you need. And well, that's it. So it was a pleasure to take this opportunity to manage the Lloret Convention Bureau because at that time it was already very well fit.
Okay, very interesting. Can you tell us a little bit what the destination can offer to MICE groups, and what are the main reasons for organizing an event in Lloret de Mar?
Well, concerning Lloret de Mar, it's a small city based in the Mediterranean Sea in Costa Brava. We are between Barcelona and the French border. So most of our clients are the ones that have been many times in Barcelona. They are in love with the area. They want to discover our landscape. So I think that the main reason is our strategic location, only 1 hour far from the Barcelona's airport. Then we are also 30 minutes far from Girona city and the airport of Girona, Costa Brava. So the connections are really, really good. What else? We have 30,000 hotel beds. So as I told you, we have a strong tourism industry, and 18,000 of them are in 4 and 5 star, and they are really specialized in 10 all kind of MICE and sport events. We have 3 conference centers. The biggest one have a capacity up to 1,000 people in the same room. But well, Lloret, it's not only a destination to hold or to where you can organize larger events. So we have the smallest hotel boutique of 19 rooms up to the biggest one that have about 800 rooms. Okay, so we can organize all kind of sizes of events in the city. Okay. What else? Apart of these 3 conference centers, we have more than 80 meeting rooms, mostly with natural light and sea views. And for me, one of the key selling points is a small city. So it's a walking distance destination where you can move walking everywhere. As far as you arrive to the city, you don't need any transfer. You can move safely around all the city. And also feeling as a local. Bear in mind that Lloret de Mar is hospitality destination where we have more than 110 nationalities. So well, the culture we have many cultures, and every people it's welcome, no, in the destination. And another key selling point for sure, our experiences. You have a wide range of team building and incentive experiences related with the culture, the nature, the gastronomy, and to enjoy in Lloret de Mar. The weather is amazing all year around, for sure.
I was going to say, you have to mention the weather.
That's it.
Especially for Scandinavia.
So look behind me, we have these amazing beaches. One of is Sacaleta behind me. So well, you can enjoy it around all year,
all year round.
All year round. Okay, and a curiosity, another important point is that we are coming from Indians, from people who lived to America, to Cuba in the 19th century. So we have an important heritage and a legacy related with this culture, okay? And the last, but for me, the most important reason is welcome to visitors in terms of hospitality. So we are really proud to say that most of our we're really proud about the loyalty of our clients. So once they organize the event in the city, they used to come back. Okay, so it's for us it's really nice. And well, that's it, more or less, the most important reasons to welcome you here. And well, all these are really comfortable for Scandinavian clients. We used to work a lot with the Scandinavian companies that they find in Lloret de Mar a nice small city, well, to enjoy and to have the group all together and doing many things around.
Okay. I saw recently in the magazine Evento Plus, which is a Spanish magazine specialized in MICE tourism, that you organized last year the first blogging congress that associates a sport with the collection of waste in the nature. Can you tell us a little bit more about it and maybe give us some more examples of sustainable events that have been carried out in Lloret de Mar?
Yeah, we are really, I mean, in terms of Lloret de Mar, we are really focused into have sustainable experiences in the city. So we are working hard with our private sector, giving them many, well, training related with this sustainability and, well, helping them to create new experiences related with. Yeah, it was amazing to have the first International Blogging Congress in Lloret de Mar last month of October. And well, I don't know if you are, you know what's that, but the blogging, it's well, the new perfect exercise sport practice activity where while you are doing jogging, you can pick up a litter. Okay, so well, it's a really nice practice in terms of sustainability. And yeah, we had, well, the congresses were about 200 delegates, and they spent a couple of days in Lloret de Mar. We are really happy to have the founder, Eric Hallström, that I think he's Swedish. Is the founder of the plugging, so he attended the Congress. And the day after, a very interesting experiences was the plugging day. The plugging day was an activity of a morning in the Platja de Fanals, in the Fanals beach. It's a really nice beach that we have here in Lloret de Mar, where they did this practice. And what's really nice is that more than 17 countries worldwide did the same activity the same day. So, wow, it's a nice experiences that we had in Lloret de Mar regarding the sustainability. And well, the year before, in 2021, we held also the first International Fishing Congress, a Sustainable Fishing Congress. They were also 200 delegates, more or less. And well, they talk about all these things related with the fishing and the sustainability of our seas.
Okay. Very interesting, because I think at the end of the day, it's so important to lower the impact of tourism at the destination and also to preserve the nature. So if we combine both things with one activities, well, I think that's just amazing.
In terms of sustainability, we are actually working in a catalog of experiences related with this, but not only with environment sustainability, if not with the social, economical, and other kind of sustainability that are as well as important as the environment one.
I wanted to know how many events have taken place in Lloret de Mar during 2022, if you have a little recap, and how do you see forecast for the next 2-3 years?
Well, regarding the 2022, we were still working in the figures and data of how many and different kind of events that we held in the city. But if I can tell you more or less the ones that we have in 2021, taking into account that, well, we came back from the COVID at that time, and in Catalonia, the area where we are, we're not allowed to organize big events than 10 people since June 2021. So it means that we start business the middle of 2021. So from September to December 2021, we held 78 events, international events within different kinds of conferences, meetings, incentive, and well, all kind of meetings. So it's an important number, important figure regarding that we work only half of the year, and we held about 78 events in the city.
Okay, and how do you see forecast for the next 2-3 years?
Well, it's a little bit strange situation. I mean, I think that it's going to be this year, it's going to be amazing. We are working on a lot of requests with our dealers, with our suppliers. And I think that 2023 will continue. It all depends on how it's going to run the war and other stuff. And let's see, but I think, I think it's going to be well, the business is coming back, and for me, the essence of the meetings industry is to meet face to face. So we need to do so, and well, the meetings are going to continue. We are we are smaller than big cities, and we have all kind of facilities with high quality and really well. We are so competitive, and yeah, we'll be happy to receive all these events and clients from Scandinavia or everywhere. So I told you, we are really friendly, and we have a huge hospitality. So yeah.
Great. Well, Montse, it was really nice talking to you about what Lloret de Mar can offer to MAX groups. I really loved the conversation, and that you could explain us more about your destination, Lloret de Mar. I think it's so important to share with the audience all the potential that the destination has to offer, a part of beaches and good weather. Also, Barcelona has such good international flight connections, and we need to show the world that Lloret de Mar can offer to event planners. So thank you so much, Montse. It was a pleasure.
Yeah, pleasure. The pleasure is mine. And well, you are all very welcome to visit us. We can organize for you a really nice farm trip with visits, because I think it's the best way to realize about the opportunities that we have for your clients. And well, Lloret de Mar is your home. We wait for you here.
Thank you so much, Montse.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.